Okay, the next tutorial will be focused on creating a new group. Upon pressing the plus button on lower part of the screen, you will get the creation group sub screen. The top bar is similar to any profile picture in this application and probably in many other applications. Just press it and you can take a photo from camera or to choose an image from the gallery. We can enter the group name. Let me press just new group name, and we can enter to the contact list. The contact list is divided into two groups. Left one with the Tazligan logo on top is the users that already users out of my contact list that already installed this specific application, and on the right you can see all other contact lists that yet did not install this application, and you have a button to invite those specific users. By pressing this invitation button, an SMS with the link to download this application will be sent to those specific users. On the left side you can see users that are already installed this application, and you can just choose whatever you want by clicking the the checkbox on the right side. Importantly, since not always this list is refreshed with the server, so we recommended to press the refresh button in order to refresh this list. We can select all or deselect on top, and finally you should press the save button in order to save the selected contacts. You can see them on the bottom of this list. Okay, let's see some other features that can be seen in this specific screen. For example, there is a checkbox in order to set yourself as invisible. Sometimes we would like to create a group and to be invisible in this group so others will not see our phone number or our identification. By check this specific checkbox when creating a group, everything will be the same like any other Tazligan group, but in this specific case other users will not see you. They will only see an avatar instead of your profile picture. In addition to that, you have two sets of checkbox, left one and right one. The left one is invisible members, exactly like to set yourself as invisible. You can choose which one of the members in this specific group would be invisible in all questions and answer and other stuff. You would be able to post the questions, you will be able to answer questions, it will be able to do anything like any other member, but he will be invisible. In the right side you can see a set of checkbox that allowing or prevent from these users to post questions. Sometimes you would like to create a group that members are only answering questions and not posting questions. In this case, you can select or deselect these specific checkbox. Okay. Let me save this specific group. Okay, and we have a new group. You can see that there are three members in this group, myself as creating this group and other two members. Now in this specific group I can deep press on the name of this group and I can see three options on the top bar to delete this group by clicking the trash icon, to see the members of this group and the ability of each one of these members by pressing the information icon. Pressing it will show me the profile picture, the name of the group, and the participants in this group. Let's see about the specific icons that you can see for each and every one of these group members. I'm on the top of the list, and I was the creator of the group. I created the group. That is why you can see this crown on top of my name. Beside of it, there are two lines of icons of some avatar. You can see that it alters his name, his color between black, invisible, and blue, visible member. And on the right side, you can see some icon represent the ability of posting questions. So you can see here that the blue icon represent a member that can post questions, whereas black avatar, a black icon, represent a member that cannot post questions. It can only answer questions. Sorry. Again, deep press of the name of the group. Now I'm going to press the pencil in order to edit this specific group. You can change whatever you want. You can change the name of the group, your invisible status, the status of invisibility, and posting question for each and every member in this specific group. And in addition to that, you can press the bell icon and to disable it, so other group members, so you will not get a notification, you will not be notified when getting a new question or a new answer in this specific group. Let's save it and let's go back, and this is probably the end of this specific movie.